Well, this is my first YouTube video, and I decided to have it be about e-cigarettes. Why? Because that seems to be the popular thing right now. That and the Kindle, but I can't go into that, that's too damn expensive. Well, I recently tried, 3 e-cigarettes. One, the smoke everywhere, because my mom had it and I didn't have to pay for it. Tried that for a little bit. And then I tried to buy a smoker's Smart Choice, SS Choice, number 7 e-cigarette. Didn't want to spend all the money for, the whole starter pack. Anyway. Well, disposable, number 7, SS Choice. Damn thing is huge. Well, when I tried it, first, the instructions said let it sit for 20 minutes, like this, to get juice on the atomizer. Thought that was kind of nuts. The atomizer is not great looking. I don't know how well you can see that, but this thing performed like crap. There's almost no vapor, if at all. And then eventually, within 20 minutes, the battery was dead. Being disposable, can't recharge it. I'm pretty sure I could probably plug it into a charger if I had one for it. So, yeah, screw that. Called the company, couldn't get in touch with anybody, they called me back, and I said, I'm not wasting my money or time on you, I'm waiting for a better product. Saw a review by Nico on Revolver Elite and a few others, but the Revolver Elite appealed to me because of this. Personal charging case. Hold cartridges and charge your battery while you're out. That's why I wanted this, and I looked around, not too many other companies have them as options, or if they do, you have to buy it separate, so I like the fact that this came with one. Well, after the disappointment with the number 7, I tried my mom's, smoke everywhere, and that was performed how it was. I expected. This, as you can see, is smaller. Definitely, it's a mini. Now, these are the cigarettes I was smoking. I rolled my own 70mm. Now, at side-by-side comparison, not too much of a size difference. Plus, weight, great. Could throw it. Decent vapor. I mean, there are better ones. I'm sure if I could figure out the adapter for a more powerful battery, it would vape like mad. And good nicotine hit, because I already went through one cartridge and one battery charge. Just got it today. And so refilled it with high level tobacco gold. And when I first started using it, got a little bit of nicotine jitters because I smoked too much, and I'm going to vape too much. Now, one thing that I haven't seen on a review yet is, I hate to say it, but a comparison to a conventional cigarette. I like the flavor of it, it's kind of sweet. on the Revolver. Throw hit's good, but for some reason I still end up craving one, so let's find out why. I just got this about 10 o'clock this morning. It's 3:30. So I have had one since, but let's see if I have the same reaction. Pretty much, yeah. Tastes like crap. Ah. Yeah, it does. And I've been smoking just about 17 years, and that's the first time that has happened. I've stopped smoking for a month, 2 months, and I didn't get that nasty taste. That's one thing that I had to do, and that's going to be put out. Now, the only downfall I can see about the Revolver Elite right now is the fact that parts are not easy to come by, simply because the government has been seizing their shipments. So, new atomizers, because I heard over the, online, that they last for about 30 days, 2 months, and so on. But I've been looking at the Revolver site for about 2-3 weeks, and they have still yet to get the new atomizers in. So that's my only concern, is replacement parts. But overall, they have great customer service. They get back to you fairly quick. I mean, a lot better than a lot of other places. Like the guys who make this. Anyway, so that's my video. Can't really think of anything else to say, so hopefully I'll have another one up, and maybe I'll try the Revolver Gemini next. It's a little bit more expensive, but the atomizer is remodeled to be a heavy-hitting atomizer with a manual and an automatic battery, so you have your choice. So that's where I think the price point is, that and the atomizer. So maybe next few paychecks I'll have enough money together after I get my new motorcycle on the road. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. And eventually this will be finished, sadly, because I smoke too damn much. And the PCC takes 3 hours to charge, and the battery's a half hour, so I am going to end up having to use it. See ya.